Phylum Porifera. Do you know that word porifera is derived from Greek words porous, which is pores, plus fere, to bear, which means organisms which bear pores or holes in its body. Due to presence of holes all over the body, there is a canal system which helps in circulating water throughout the body to bring in food and oxygen. The animals of Phylum Porifera are sessile, sedentary, and marine except one group. They are commonly called as sponges. These are non-motile animals attached to some solid support. The body of Porifera is covered with a hard outside layer of skeleton. Skeleton is made up of calcareous or siliceous spicules or spongin fiber or both. The body design has very minimal differentiation and division into tissues. They are multicellular, diploblastic, and radially or asymmetrical animals. Some common examples of Porifera are Euplectella, Cycon, Spongilla, Cleona, Oscarella, and Euspongia.